welcome to your weekly reading. Let me share the information with you. We have the Two of Swords, followed by the Empress, the Ace of Swords, and then we've got an Angel Answer card, and it says, no need to worry. Right, let's see. So first of all, the Two of Swords. This comes along when you need to make a choice or a decision. But because that person in the picture has got a blindfold on, it means this decision is not clear. It's not obvious to you what way you should go and what you should do. Now, interestingly, because it's right next to the Empress, now the Empress can come along when it's time to really think about who we are. It's time to connect, meditation, intuition, understand, know, believe, trust in our own innate gifts, in who we are. We are a little piece of heaven on earth. And so when I say to people, if you've got this energy and something's in your life and you're just not sure, should I do this? Should I do this? And I don't know what to do, and it's not clear, it's not obvious. The way out of that confusion, that indecision, is one of them through the Empress energy. It's about going back to you, going back to who you truly are, thinking about your innate gifts, maybe even your purpose in life, why you're here in this lifetime, what you love, what's in your heart and soul, and having faith and belief and trust in that, like the Empress does, to then make your decision. So if you find at the beginning of the week you have got this indecision, just, take some time for you. Whatever works for you. It's different for different people. Some people like to sing or write music or play music or meditate or walk in nature, look at the stars. But this is all about the Empress energy. She's very intuitive. She's very in the flow of life. She doesn't fight it. Everything in her life is natural and easy. She just goes with it. She surrenders. So she's very good at letting go and surrendering. And as a result, with the Empress energy, she is able to see the opportunities. She's able to receive the inspirations from source energy, one consciousness, and she listens to them and she takes action with them. And then as a consequence, she has a life full of abundance and happiness and joy. And this energy is where you just are in the flow and everything is amazing and wonderful. She's also really good with the natural laws of the universe, including the laws of attraction. She just knows how it goes. She just asks for something and then lets it go and is not desperate and not clinging to it. She just, it's just wonderful. She also has a connection to fertility as well. The mother, so there could be connections to feminine essence, the mother, fertility, babies, conception, and there is a big strong connection with nature as well, like Mother Earth. So there could be some things there. Maybe for some of you this is about getting out into nature, connecting with Mother Earth. Maybe this is about you're needing to honor your feminine a little bit more. So that could be coming up for you. Honor your intuition more, honor your innate gifts more, and not suppress them, not hide them away. Are you hiding them away? Yeah, okay, so lots of lovely stuff there. And then the Ace of Swords. New beginnings, new starts, a door opening, new paths opening up for you. Look at this on the top. We've got the crown, which is victory. Now it might be that you get some sort of, this is sorted out this week, and then you get an opportunity this week. You get the chance to start this new life, this new path, this new adventure for you. Victorious. You will be victorious with this new start. This is what it's saying. You will be victorious. Now with the sword, this wouldn't have been an easy path to follow, to tread, to get to this brand new start, this place where you can achieve your goal, achieve your dream, your heart's desire, whatever it is that you're working towards. So, yeah, it wouldn't have been easy. It would have been so stressful, a lot of sweat, blood, tears. But this is a gift from God. This hand is the hand of God, and it's meant to be presented to you so that you can be victorious. And this no need to worry. I mean, it could be for some of you to do with this because you're struggling with this decision, you're struggling with this choice. It might also be because if you have, when we're struggling with our choice, it's usually we're out of alignment. So maybe you have a bit of a wobble this week at the beginning, but then it's like, no need to worry. You will find yourself again. You will get back on track. You will get into the flow of life, surrender to the flow of life. And then the other thing is sometimes when we get presented with a new door to walk through, and especially when we have gone down a path it's been so difficult for us, so stressful, so we wondered if we could ever get through it. We're sometimes a bit hesitant, when an opportunity appears and we think, oh, I don't know, I might be too tired, I'm too exhausted to even think about it. Is it going to turn out like the last thing? All of that sort of stuff. And they're saying, don't worry, don't worry. And the other word they've just dropped in there is the big word. They're putting it in front of me. Trust. Don't worry. Trust. It's like surrender, let go, trust. Please don't worry anymore, because the worry takes you into fear, which takes you out of alignment, out of your vortex, whatever you want to call it, out of that good feeling space, and puts you into a state of anxiety and fear. So, it's like trying to focus with the no need to worry, trying to focus as much as you can on all of the positive things, what's going right, what is perfect now, even if they're just the tiniest things, just trying to pick them out and really focus your attention and energy. Because as we become master manifestors like the Empress, things are happening really quickly with our thoughts and what we're focusing upon. And if we are constantly focusing on what's not right, what's not good, what we don't like in our lives, then we will just get more of that. So they're saying trust, have faith, let go, surrender. You will be victorious, and there's no need to worry. I've just finally got in the final words, we've got you. We have got you. Okay, so isn't that lovely? I hope it's a really good week. Thank you so much for watching.